In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access Hulu on a Firestick in the UK. Let's dive in. Hulu is not officially available in the UK, but you can access it using a VPN. Start by purchasing a reliable VPN service like ExpressVPN or NordVPN that works with streaming platforms. Download and install the VPN app on your Firestick by going to the Amazon App Store and searching for the VPN. Install the app, open it, and log into your account. Connect to a US-based server through the VPN app. Once connected, go to the Amazon App Store on your Firestick, search for Hulu, and install the app. If Hulu isn't available in the App Store, you can sideload the app using a computer and tools like Downloader on your Firestick. After installing Hulu, launch the app and sign in with your Hulu account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one while still connected to the US server. For uninterrupted streaming, ensure your VPN connection remains active. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy Hulu on your Firestick in the UK.